Pasok na sila. Kaya mo na.
We shall now proceed with the conferring of the degree Doctor of Humanities. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now watch a special audiovisual presentation.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I invite you to the screen to witness the inspiring story of our commencement speaker.
Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Then graduate the Doctor of Optometry program. We invite Dr. Catherine M. Demesta, Dean College of Optometry. Ian R. Coco. Jean Maxine B. Praxides Kyle Johnny N. Protomartyr Stephen Andre Y. Kiambao Alessandra Nicole C. Kiambao Kirsten Claire C.